Hey guys, welcome to the 12th lesson of this series. We hope you are excited. Today's new lesson is based on Teen Tal. It has 16 matras. The breakup is pretty simple. It is 4/4/4/4. These lessons are very important to train your fingers for faster movement. Therefore, without any further ado, let's jump into today's lesson. But before we go there, if you are new to this channel and like the content we post, then go and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you'll not miss any updates when we upload a new video. Let's get started. In today's lesson, the tempo will vary in all the four lays. The pitch will be B2. In today's part, we will teach you how to play the Alankar in Vilambit Lay, Madhya Lay, which is slow speed and medium speed. Now, let's look at the Alankar which we are going to learn today to play it in the harmonium. You can note down the Alankar in your notebook too. At first, Vilambit Lay. Ascending order, and descending order. The tempo in which we will play the Vilambit Lay is 100 bpm. Let's see how does it sound when we play it in the harmonium. Well, that was Vilambit Lay at 100 bpm. Next up, Madhya Lay. The Alankar for Madhya Lay is same as Vilambit Lay and the tempo in which we will play it is 175 bpm. Kindly focus onto it and let's see how does it sound when we play it in the harmonium. Well, that was Madhya Lay at 175 bpm, and with this, today's part ends here. If you have any queries, then feel free to contact us. You will find the contact details down in the description. We hope you have learned a new thing today, and don't forget to drop a like to the video and share it with your family and friends. Tune in with us in the next video with the second part of the 12th lesson of Harmonium tutorial. To be notified when we upload the next video, go and hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon. You can follow us over Facebook and Instagram for more updates. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.